Nicotine replacement therapy, NRT, works by replacing some of the nicotine you used to get from cigarettes, so you don't feel as uncomfortable after quitting. There are 3 different NRTs approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for quitting smoking. Nicotine is the active ingredient in all of them. Nicotine patches, gum, and mouth spray are the most common quit-smoking medicines, and you can buy them without a prescription, over the counter. Quick Mist mouth spray supplies nicotine without the hundreds of harmful chemicals that cigarette smoke contains. Mouth nicotine spray, Quick Mist, helps lessen the uncomfortable feelings that come when you stop getting nicotine from cigarettes. When used as directed, most people get enough nicotine from the spray to avoid having overwhelming cravings and withdrawal symptoms. However, even using quit-smoking medicine, you will likely still have some discomfort and urges to smoke. The good news is there are many ways you can get help dealing with these. Using the high-concentration gum at the same time as a fast-acting spray can help decrease withdrawal even more. Learn more about ways to use a combination of medicines. You can gradually decrease the amount of nicotine that you get from NRT over several weeks. Your brain will get used to working without so much nicotine. And you will figure out how to get through the day without smoking.